up in the morning, what do? Grab our brush and toothpaste too. Squeeze a dot, not too much. Time to give our teeth a brush. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Top and bottom, underneath. In the morning, then at night. Keep them clean and shining bright. Round and round, go nice and slow. Don't forget your teeth below. Front to back and every side, with a big smile open wide. Brush, 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 brush your teeth. Top and bottom, underneath. In the morning, then at night. Keep them clean and shining bright. Spit and rinse, then smile with glee. Say hello to happy teeth. No more sugar bumps to find. Healthy teeth are super kind. I brush, brush every day. Keep the sugar bugs away. A little care goes a long way. Let's keep our smiles bright each day. Brush up, brush down, make it fun. Brushing teeth for everyone.
Like a nurse for the bride.